mga VIP kaya sila. So by invitation only. So it's made of ostrich shredded na papansin ko yan. Ostrich siya. So hindi siya katulad ng ibang mga mission to the moon. So kailangan natin pumorma mamaya. So hindi complete pagka walang
So, very simple needs ang hinahanap ni Eman. Shorts.
Bago tayo dun sa clothes, kailangan yung
Shoes.
source muna ng income.
Ha?
Yung pang-boxing muna.
Just wanna thank you in advance.
Oh, you're so welcome, Ems. I'm so happy to do something. One day you'll be so rich that you will give me the money.
One day if I get rich, I will go bonding with you.
Oo, talaga. Thank you.
When I visit Manila, I'll go always in your house.
Promise, ha?
Opo.
Lagi mong binabantayan nanay mo?
I actually enjoy it po.
Ah, okay. Your mom's so gentle, no?
Opo.
Hindi ko alam kung anong kailangan sa boxing.
Ay, yan, Everlast. Oh.
Anong wala tayo sa boxing?
Actually,
May gloves sa ito.
May gloves ka pa ba?
Ito, wala tayong...
actually, punit-punit
Wala
yung
tayong
gloves
ganito.
ko. Meron na po actually, pero
American
I
ganyan.
don't have